The POPOSOAP solar water fountain pump is an excellent addition to any pond. Designed with efficiency and longevity in mind, this solar-powered fountain pump offers high performance and versatile functionality. In this review, we'll explore the key features of the POPOSOAP solar water fountain pump, its unboxing experience, and how it can enhance your outdoor water features. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Ecofriendly Technology, and before starting the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our upcoming videos. Unboxing the POPOSOAP solar water fountain pump reveals the following components: solar water pump, PVC tube, solar panel, nozzles and hose, user manual. The packaging is secure and ensures that all parts arrive in perfect condition. The included user manual provides clear instructions for assembly and installation, making the setup process straightforward and hassle-free. High efficiency and long life. One of the standout features of the POPOSOAP solar water fountain pump is its high-efficiency 20-watt solar panel. Made from high-quality materials, this solar panel delivers more efficient and longer-lasting performance compared to traditional solar panels. This ensures that the fountain pump operates continuously and stably, providing a reliable water feature for your garden or pond. 17 feet long cord, allowing you to place it in the optimal position to capture the most sunlight. This flexibility ensures that the pump receives maximum power throughout the day, enhancing its overall performance. High flow rate and adjustable settings. The POPOSOAP solar water fountain pump boasts an impressive maximum flow rate of 320 gallons per hour, GPH. It also features an adjustable flow valve, allowing you to customize the water flow and height to suit your specific needs. The maximum lift height of 7.5 feet makes this pump suitable for a variety of water features, from small bird baths to larger ponds. Additionally, the fountain comes with 4 different sprayers, providing a variety of water spray styles. Whether you prefer a gentle cascade or a more robust fountain effect, the POPOSOAP solar water fountain pump can deliver the perfect water display to enhance your outdoor space. Versatility and ease of use. This solar fountain pump is designed for versatility and ease of use. It's ideal for a range of applications, including ponds, fish tanks, bird baths, and other garden water features. The adjustable settings and multiple sprayer options allow you to create a customized water feature that suits your aesthetic preferences and functional needs. The included PVC tube and hose make it easy to connect the pump to your water feature, while the straightforward assembly process means you can have the fountain up and running in no time. The pump's submersible design ensures quiet and efficient operation, adding a tranquil and soothing element to your garden or outdoor space. The POPOSOAP solar water fountain pump is a high-quality, efficient, and versatile solution for enhancing your outdoor water features. Its powerful 20-watt solar panel ensures continuous and stable operation, while the adjustable flow rate and multiple sprayer options allow for a customized water display. The easy installation and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to add a beautiful and functional fountain to their garden, pond, or pool. So this was all about the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comment section. This is Ecofriendly Technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.